Hi folks, bueno bueno from Bio Bio. Yes, another quality Riesling from Chile that won't break the bank. Coming right up. Hi guys, welcome to yet another edition of bigonwine, the show that brings you, of course, news, clues and reviews about, yes, everything in the world of wine. And of course, our emphasis here is on a clear and simple message and excellent value for money. And if we're talking excellent value for money, then we can't do any better than Chile, really. And my wine of the week for this week is this one here. It's Birds of Paradise Riesling Organic 2017, and this wine comes in for a price of about €12.50 a bottle where I am. Okay, now this Birds of Paradise Riesling, it's a young Riesling of course, is from Chile and more specifically from the Valle del Bio Bio. Now you're probably wondering where the hell is the Valle del Bio Bio? Well, I actually had to take a good look myself as well. Okay, the Bio Bio Valley is situated right in the middle of Chile. Chile is a very long country, of course. It's about 100 kilometers or so east of the regional capital, Concepcion, and almost 500 kilometers south of the capital, Santiago. Now, this is a very earthquake-prone area. And of course, it has a slightly cooler climate than further north with a decent amount of rainfall. So it's ideal for making crisp white wines, but also some Pinot Noir, so a red that flourishes in the cooler areas as well. Okay, Mediterranean climate, basically. Okay, let's take a look at our wine here. This is Birds of Paradise 2017. 12% alcohol, 3 grams of residual sugar. So this is a dry wine. Let's try it in the nose. Yep, very clean, nice aroma, something sharp in there as well. Peachy aroma, but also some kind of stony, some minerality in there as well. Peachy, mineral. Little bit of lemon in there as well, maybe even a touch of almond or something like that. So a very interesting wine in the nose, peachy, stony, lemony, and a little touch of nuttiness as well. Yeah. Okay, let's try this in the mouth now. Now that in the mouth is very much mirroring the aromas in the nose. There's a very pleasant acidity which is getting the mouth watering nicely. I'm picking up again peach and citrus, and in the finish there could even be a little touch of apple in there. Nice acidity, nice balance. You know, even in the finish, in the background, there's just that slightest touch of the terpenes, that kind of little petrol flavour that we associate with aged Riesling there. So that's an unusual bonus for this one. Okay, I'll have to have another swig. This is extremely good, especially for the money. Lovely, peachy, good minerals, just a hint of the terpenes, nice citrus, good balance, good acid, fresh, lively, very nice indeed. Okay, so this is, I think, a good all-rounder and at a very good price. What are we going to be eating with this? How are we going to be drinking? Well, I think, you know, you could serve this very nicely as an aperitif. So the serving temperature should be around the 8 or 9 degree mark. But really, you know, this is calling out to me, summer, get outside in your garden, etc. I'm thinking here salads, fish, seafood. It's a great, nicely balanced all-round wine. All right, let's bring you the heads up on this one. Bio Bio Valley of Chile, Birds of Paradise Riesling Organic 2017, coming in at a nice price. I'm going to give this wine 3 stars plus out of 5. Okay guys, many thanks for taking the time to follow this week's video and the little intro to the Birds of Paradise 2017 from Chile's Bio Bio Valley. A nice drop indeed. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and heard, then please feel free to give us that big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below, why don't you? Follow me on my other social media platforms, and hey, why not subscribe by hitting that big red button up there behind me. I'll be back again next week with another great wine of the week for you, but until we meet again, this is Tony Melville signing off and saying, hey, be good to each other, take care out there, enjoy your wines, and cheers.